as you guys know, XM just launched a crypto coin this week. Okay, so you guys can open, I think both MT4 and MT5 boleh kan?
Yes.
Not only
Yeah.
MT5 kan? Both.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that means it's giving, and the minimum deposit to trade crypto is berapa?
I'm not sure, but the margin is very low ni. I think if
I think 1 to 250.
1 to 2, yes, the leverage is 1 to 250. But
Okay.
when I see got one trader lah, he opened a 0.013 position. The margin is just 3.34 USD, so it's very low
Okay.
margin use.
Okay, that means I think as little as maybe $20,
Yes, should be
ataupun
okay.
even about $15, you guys can open crypto, especially Bitcoin. So go ahead. Kalau ada question pasal Bitcoin, can ask Team Res ataupun directly live chat dengan XM lah. Okay. Okay, I think Bitcoin we talked about I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Last 2 weeks we didn't touch on the Bitcoin. Okay,
Yeah.
so this overall trend for Bitcoin.
Cikgu Rashid belum share.
Yeah. Oh, belum share. Okay, sorry. That
Yes.
means I'm talking.
Tak nasib baik belum. Dah nak cakap level.
Oh, okay. Because I thought I was sharing already. Okay. So I think this is overall the Bitcoin trend. I think everyone will agree Bitcoin is on the uptrend. Okay, but surely people who have been following Bitcoin, okay, they know roughly around 60,000 and 65,000, ataupun close to about 70,000. Okay, which is I think to be exact, it's almost about 69, 400 something lah. Okay, but we take as a round number between 60 to 70. I think when I 60 to 70 is 60K bukan $60. Yeah, 60,000. Maknanya almost about 250,000 to about 260 or 270,000 Malaysian ringgit. Okay. Ada K dekat belakang Jangan lupa
Okay.
K. Okay. Bitcoin from as low as dalam $1,000, $2,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Crazy.
So imagine dia punya growth. So that's why I think everyone joined the bandwagon about quite late, because siapa-siapa yang join, I think from the year of probably daripada tahun maybe lah, even kita ambil daripada tahun 2018 pun rasanya dah jadi millionaire, if not billionaire. Okay, I think we have read few stories, ramai yang jadi billionaire, some youngsters, etc. But again, that's maybe probably 1 out of 1,000 atau 1 out of 10,000 probability that people hit the jackpot. Okay, but nevertheless, this is a long-term investment. Okay, for trading, not so advisable, but again, you guys can trade it, but it's more of a buy and hold punya investment. Okay, since it reached, I think 70K ataupun 69,000 plus, I think since then they dropped almost about 50%. Okay, to close to about 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 is become a support, and I think about 3 weeks ago when we reviewed this pair, we mentioned these two levels. One is 53,000, the other one is about 45,000 dekat sini. Okay, because that's a previous resistance. Okay, so dia ada macam sedikit fake out, try to push out, okay, but didn't manage to close above this 45. They came down, second time tried to attempt, still couldn't break. I think the magic number to be exact, I think 44. I think orang Cina mungkin tak berapa suka. To be exact, it's actually 44400 ataupun around this number lah. Okay, 45,000. So that's like a magic number, becoming like a resistance. Okay, if you guys look into the smaller time frame, probably you guys can see a bit clearer. Okay, kalau tengok kat sini 44,579 ataupun kat sini slightly above 44. So this figure is the one right now becoming resistant, and just about an hour ago ataupun about 2 hours ago, dia break this 40,000. Okay, so looks like it's breaking this trend line. Kalau nampak kat sini, there is a one trend line going up. It's also breaking. Okay, so again, take my analysis with a pinch of salt, because some people who are holding right now, probably they won't agree with me. They will say, oh, market Bitcoin still up. Yes, market still up, but maybe it's up maybe after 2 years or 3 years. We never know. But at this point, I think market still showing more bearish pressure. Okay, so with that, I'm still, if it's still holding below 40k ataupun 44k, okay, I think there is higher probability market will break this trend line clearly, and then maybe try to come back, test this resistance, and then make a move. I think previously I talked about this level around 30,000, okay, and about 28,000, and further
Yeah.
down around 25k and about 20k. So on a bigger time frame, kalau tengok kat sini, I think these are the level I think previously we mentioned. Somewhere between this support will be taken out to test this 30k and to 25 and 20k. So these things, because at the between 25 to 30 ada satu strong support coming up. Maybe there will be a bit of a rejection initially, but still market is thinking maybe the fair value at this point is anywhere between 20 to 25k. Okay, so that's why for it to achieve this, maybe it will take a couple of months. But right now, anything between 33 to 30 looks more of a strong support. So this might be the first orang kata step untuk Bitcoin, probably untuk come and test maybe a minor rejection. Okay, that means kejap that means maybe they break this trend line, test, come back, pull back, retest, break again. Okay, then this support a bit of minor rejection, then breakout, then come to around this 25 to 30k, then rejection a bit deeper, then come to about 20k. Okay, so this what I'm projecting. Okay, depending on how it's okay. But again, if it's 30 holes, then this 25 may not reach. Then market might go up back to this 50k punya zone. Okay, so this 30 to 33 will be critical. Kalau dia senang break, then we are talking about 25 punya zone. Okay, so this is how Bitcoin looks like. But again, this is more, you guys can do it more for investment rather than trading. But if you guys can take a bigger risk doing a day trading ataupun on a intraday trading, by all means go ahead. Okay.
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk Bitcoin ya.